Hello and welcome to Calm Creations YouTube channel. My name is Tia and today is the 31st of December 2020. So this is going to be a little Flosstube extra, and what it is I'm going to be showing you all my finishes that I've done over the year. They're going to be in no particular order. It's just sort of a finish parade, I suppose you'd say. So we've got a few to get through. So yeah, no particular order. They're just gonna be how they come off the pile, and I'll be able to show you them. So first one I have is this is called Sunshine, and it's by Satsuma Street. It was a free chart on their website, and this is my first time stitching on linen. So I've done it as a hoop finish. So, and I've put it's called felt on the back. So that is Sunshine. We all need a bit of sunshine. So that's that one. The next one is a Mill Hill kit, and it's called Mary, and I've finished it as an ornament. So, and it's got all the beads, and so that's a hanging ornament, and I've put little jingle bells up here with a bit of felt on the back. You can sort of hear them jingle. So that's Mary by Mill Hill. The next one is one that I started earlier on in the year. It was a challenge for School of Magical Stitches. I can't remember what the prompt was, but was it fire related or fire? I can't remember. But I've done 101 Dalmatians, so one of the dogs, one of the puppies, and I've done it in a cube finish. So, and then that's the back, and I've glued beads on for the feet. So that normally sits up behind me. That one I had a bit of trouble with the pattern. There was something wrong with his leg, so I had to rechart it a little bit to fix his leg. So that's that one. Yeah, that was a free chart I found on the internet. This one is Lizzie Kate, Stitching Forever, Housework Whenever. So I've put on there some embellishments. There's a little spool of thread and some scissors up there, and I've chopped up some wood and chalk painted it the matching colour and glued them together and made a little hanger. So that is that one. This was my happy mistake. I started stitching autumn, and what happened? My fabric wasn't going to be big enough, so I kept what I'd stitched and made it into a little pillow. So it's got a little yo-yo and a button, and so that just sits on my hallway table. So that's that one. This is just another Lizzie Kate. Oh, so that was autumn from the Cricket collection. Was going to be autumn. This is a Lizzie Kate February. I plan on doing all the months, but I've only done February so far. And I made that into a little pillow. That was a very quick stitch. I did that in a day. And then for the finish I ended up doing the fabric right sides to this, sewed all the way around, and then turned it through. I cut a hole in the back and turned it through, and then appliqued a heart on the back. So that's that one. This was Easter Blessings from Plum Street Samplers. It's a free one on their website, so I made that into a mounted flat fold. I put a little button. Those bunnies are just so super cute. That normally sits up behind me too. It had the words Easter Blessing down the bottom, but I took those off because I wanted it to be for whenever. So that's that one. This is a recent finish. This is a little biscornu I made maybe about 3 weeks ago. It was a pattern that we were given as a kit to the Brisbane Cross Stitches retreat. So this was my first biscornu, and instead of doing the back, I just redesigned the back. So I wrote Tia Brisbane Cross Stitches Retreat 2020. I didn't write it, I stitched it. So, and I stitched little orange beads on there as well. So I really, really love that. So that is my biscornus. I've done that one. These were some designs that I designed at the beginning of the year. I'm trying to get together a series of Aussie, New Zealand Christmas type designs. So the first one is Jandles. So these ones are available for sale on my website. So I did those. I did a kiwi pavlova with some kiwi fruit. And they've all been finished the same way, just on sticky board. And then the Aussie barbecue. So that's those three. Right. This piece I stitched and finished for our magazine. So our magazine is Down the Rabbit Hole Cross Stitch and Needlework magazine. And this was a piece submitted by Lisa from Paddock Lane Designs. And I stitched it and finished it. So I've done a wreath. That's probably a bit better. And some bow and some greenery, and I think that just sets it off quite nicely. He's I think an Australian Kelpie or a cattle dog, or so that's Yappy Poorly Day, and the design is in our magazine. So I think that is just adorable. He is so cute, and I put a little snowflake on his bow tie, little snowflake button. So that is Yappy Poorly Day. I had all intentions of stitching the Prairie Schooler Santas. I've done one. So there's that one. Oh, these are the red work Santas, and I think there was 7 in the set. And this one I've done as a tag ornament. So there's the back. And I followed a tutorial from Vonna Pfeiffer on YouTube. Her channel is Twisted Stitcher. So I did that one. And then the other ones I've done. So Nicole from, oh it's hot, Nicole from Divinely Design Studios hosted throughout the year a stitch along, and it was to stitch the seasonal celebrations by Country Cottage Needleworks. So I participated in that, and I've done all of them, and they've all been finished the same. So they hang on this board that my husband made, and what I might do is move that actually, hold on, move that out of the way. Right, so they hang on this, and they're magnetic, so I've put magnets and washers on the back so they just stick on. So that one is, what's that one, Winter, and my daughter made that little cup, little hot cocoa mug, and I've put it on a pin, so that sits in there. And then the other ones in the series are Autumn. Oh, so the Winter one, I changed some of the words. So I changed to, you know, words that suit us here in the Southern Hemisphere. So we've got slippers, veggie soup, Milo, frost, fireplace and beanies. Probably not so much for Australia, but definitely New Zealand. autumn, I kept all those words the same. And then we've got summer. I changed some of these words. So we've got swimming, sunshine, jandles, shandies, ice cream and holidays. So that's that one. And then we've got spring. So I kept all the spring words the same. So that's those. And then the other ones, so I said before about autumn by the Cricket Collection. So this is autumn. I absolutely love this. So I've done it, and this one's done on 14 count Ada with all the called for, or you know, whatever I had that was closest to the called for. So that's autumn. And then I've done winter. So that's winter. So they're both finished the same. This one's a bit smaller because I did this one on 18 count Ada and this one on 14, so you can see, I can't see, there's a bit of size difference. And those are some more pins. Can you see those? If I move these, those are some more pins that my daughter made. So another cocoa mug and a little snowman. So that is autumn and winter. Now these are partially finished. The stitching's all finished and I've just got to fully finish them. So this is what they'll look like fully finished. So there's M for Mariah. That's my oldest daughter. We have got, where are we? M. We've got C for Cannon. That's my oldest son. So you can see they're finished. I've just got to sew them up and add the trim, which I haven't done yet. Cannon. R for Rosie. It's my second daughter. Again, not fully finished, but pretty much finished. And then I've got A for Abby. Again, not finished. And then I've got L for Lennon. It's my youngest son. So those are my 5 children. And then I've done 3 for my grandchildren. So I've got Skylar, actually. Yeah, Skylar's is red. The red scarf. S for Skylar. Tiana, T for Tiana. And then I've got S for Spencer. His is the blue scarf. I changed the colours of the scarves so that I could identify whose was whose. So that is the 30, I think 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Must be some missing. 28, 29, 30. Yeah, so that's the 30 finishes I've had for the year. So I've got a couple that I've finished stitching, but I haven't fully finished yet. So I'll show you those. So that is more Halloween silhouettes by Doreen Jones. So that's that one. And then I've got Quaker Bat, which was the work basket. So I managed to finish that one too. So that was good. So I've just got to fully finish those and then everything's done. So I hope you enjoyed that little finishes parade. I hope you've all had a lovely Christmas, and we will be ringing in the new year tonight. So be safe, and and happy stitching, and let's crack on into 2021 with some really good progress. I've got big plans, so I will be filming my plans video and my planner walkthrough at some stage, maybe today or tomorrow. We'll see how we go, and that will give you a bit of an insight into what I'm going to be doing for the year ahead. So thank you very much for stopping by, and we will see you all again soon. Bye for now.